Hello guys, let's learn the how to create method and how to pass argument and how to use one shortcut method to print anything in a jar. Like we used to uh, use the system.out.println. That's really a big line to print a simple message. So today we learn a method, usage of method, and also we learn that how to sort it out that write the all long stuffs. Okay, so here we go. So we will create one particular public class called demo method. Okay, body open, body close. We will write down a public static void main, the main method of the program. Right. Also there is a body of the main method. Okay. Here is the main method for public static void main and the main public class demo method. Okay, so we will create one particular method called SOAP. SOAP means system.out.println. So we will not we don't need to write the whole long name that system.out.println. Now we will write only SOAP and then pass the okay. So we will write one simple that is called. So here you learn that how to use usage of the method. Usage of method. This is the usage of method. Okay. And here is the shortcut method of the system.out.println. Okay. So you need to just write once and use it in whole program many times. So no need to write every time like system.out.println. You just need to write once. Okay. Demo method. Let's compile it. Compiled. And now let's run it. Okay. So this is the usage of the method. We will learn that how to make a simple calculator in the Java program in the next video. Thank you for watching.